What is this?
Well, actually, you got this. You've forgotten, didn't you?
Did I?
Yes, you did. But I know what it is because I chose it.
You don't want to tell me, do you?
Well, let's open it and see. You've forgotten because you've ordered a few things. So let's go and open it and see what it is.
I ordered a few things from China, but
Yes, Alibaba, wasn't it?
okay, I have now cracked it. What is here? Oh, I see a styrofoam. Styrofoam alert, pull the box. Put that down. What is this?
No.
It looks like a toilet seat.
Did
Did you buy a toilet seat?
No, I did not. Anyway, let's have a look because I got two things.
Oh, it's reverse.
It's a clock, one of our clocks. Oh my God.
Is it?
Yeah. We had a couple and let me see which one it is. Oh, this is the one for the landing. Look.
Oh my God, Ginko.
Ginko's got. Oh, isn't it beautiful?
Hold it in your hand.
Lovely.
Hold it in your hand, darling.
Oh, well. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh goodness, it's absolutely beautiful.
We have to clear this styrofoam debris. I love it. Look at that.
Lovely.
It's beautiful. Let's see what is written. Time. Oh, a wall clock. I think we bought it around 34 pounds.
What is it?
Yeah, I remember it now when you told me. Oh, what is inside it? What is this? Oh, another label. Nice. And this is this wall clock. Let me turn off the light so we can see the flash, so we can see better.